Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Afrikaans skills with Rocket Languages, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover your Afrikaans skills with Rocket Languages, begin by signing up for the program on their website. Once registered, log into your account and navigate to the Afrikaans course. Familiarize yourself with the course layout to understand the available features. Start with the interactive audio lessons, which are designed for beginners and advanced learners alike. Listen attentively to the pronunciation and repeat phrases aloud. Utilize the transcripts available for each audio lesson to aid your listening comprehension. Take notes on new vocabulary and grammar points. After completing each lesson, engage in the review activities to reinforce what you've learned. Explore the vocabulary lists and flashcards to enhance your retention. Make use of the online communities within Rocket Languages to practice speaking with other learners. Set aside dedicated time each day to focus on your Afrikaans studies. Consider using the cultural lessons to gain context for the language and its usage. Test your skills with the quizzes provided at the end of each module. If you feel confident, try to converse with native Afrikaans speakers online. Regularly revisit previous lessons to ensure your skills remain fresh. Keep track of your progress to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Lastly, incorporate Afrikaans into your daily life through music, films, or books to enhance your immersion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.